It's Bonnie. I was going to say Wednesday. I was going to do it, you guys. It's Tuesday. I'm looking at my shirt. Happy Tuesday. I've got some fun fall news for you. Sweet Whiskey is coming back. Actually, one of my viewers, Nola, sent me a screenshot. So we're going to talk about Sweet Whiskey, and then we're also going to talk about what else is in this collection. And then thank you, Tess. Life Inside the Page. Check out her blog below because we have got some news on some secret candles coming for fall. I don't know how I feel about these. So we're going to go through everything. So first up, Sweet Whiskey. I'm actually going to put a screenshot up from Nola. I like the new packaging. I got to say the new packaging is gorgeous. There are more scents in this collection. So there is fresh vanilla balsam. It's supposed to be fresh vanilla balsam. We don't have the scent notes on that one yet. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I thought maybe that was Bonfire Bash, but the scent notes are warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liqueur. I don't think that's Bonfire Bash. We better get Bonfire Bash back. That's all I can say. This one sounds interesting, though. Then we have Sunrise Woods is supposed to be coming back, which a lot of people liked. I think it's been around for 2 years. Sweet Whiskey, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. Copperfields, which is new. That's Harvest Sun, Fresh Wildflowers, and Bronzed Woods. And then Moonlit Martini. Tessa's got the scent notes up for this one. It's Vibrant Fruit, Sparkling Gin, and Midnight Musk. I have no idea what this is. I'm kind of excited, though. So that's coming. So it's really bugging me. I had to look up the original packaging for Sweet Whiskey, and now I remember it was the Marble Collection. It was that beautiful blue bottle. I think we also had Pink Velvet Cupcake, which hasn't been back in a while, and then Black Cherry Merlot, and there was a fourth one, which I'm not remembering. I'm sure someone remembers. I could look back on Instagram. But yeah, I really, really loved this when it first came out, and I still love it today. So now we're going to talk about that secret candle collection. Oh my goodness, you guys. Thank you so much to Tess for sharing this. I think it's coming September 7th. The link to Tess's blog, Life Inside the Page, is below, so be sure to follow her. I don't even know if I'm going to like these. Radiant Red Maple sounds kind of amazing. And then there is Pumpkin Spice Latte and Twisted Peppermint. That is a weird, weird combination. I don't know if I'm going to like it. I love Twisted Peppermint. I like Pumpkin Spice Latte, but I don't know if I'm going to like them together. So we shall see. Those are coming. And then, like I said, Sweet Whiskey's coming. This is one of my favorite scents. Check it out. This is like actually almost empty. We had it in the faceted, we had it in this style bottle. There was another one before that, but Sweet Whiskey is golden amber, vanilla infused whiskey, and sweet red berries. I love this one. To me, this is like one of the most delightful Bath & Body Works scents next to Bonfire Bash. I love my Bonfire Bash. I really do. This one is sweet. It's got that nice, it's funny because I don't like the Whiskey Reserve as much in the men's collection. That one's like too intense. This one is sweeter and it's got like a little bit of a boozy quality, but it's nice. This is totally unisex too. Remember this collection? Ivory Cashmere was in here too, which I still have to review, by the way. I don't know. I love my ivory, I was going to say Ivory Cashmere, my Sweet Whiskey. I'm like, well, what am I talking about? I like the bronze on here, by the way. I think I'm just going to wear this tonight, though. This is a good one. I really like wearing this all over the place. And I love it as the shower gel. So, it's also strong. It's got some lasting power, which is always good. And if you like those kind of unisex scents, a little bit sweeter, a little bit boozy, a little bit of the red berries, I think you're going to love Sweet Whiskey. If you haven't tried it before, I highly recommend this one. So anyway, that one is coming back. We've got the secret candle menu, and then we've got these new scents. I really want to get my hands on Moonlit Martini and The other one is the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon that look like I think I'm going to love. But you never know. I could hate them. You just don't know. Anyway, oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.